gadgets are all around and we love to have gadgets, and especially when they are from our favorite brands, then we definitely want them in our list. And one of such variant is available with us, that is Apple's MacBook Pro A1181. Yes, we have an amazing gadget out here, that is Apple's MacBook Pro A1181. But when we talk about MacBook, what comes in our mind first is that what does MacBook is all about is the first thing which comes in our mind. MacBook is nothing else but a laptop or a variant which has got really some amazing eco-friendly things in it. Yes, if we talk about this eco-friendliness, what is this eco-friendly? This eco-friendly includes the display, the type of display it has, the glass it uses, the packing it has, as well as you get to see that all the other things it has in it. Now, talking about this eco-friendly things in MacBook, then it involves that the display it has, it is usually mercury free. Yes, this is usually mercury free because mercury displays are usually the ones which are not very good for the eyesight, so we can say they are not very effective out there. Also health purpose related, we can say in short. The glass we talk about, that is arsenic free glass, so this type of glass is also great featuring out there. As well as when we talk about the variant, when we talk about MacBook Pro, then we can say the packing is in a very reduced form. Yes, you do not get to have a large packing out there or a lot of big packing. No, it's a very reduced and a very recyclable packing out there. Now let us come to this MacBook Pro A1181 out here and talk about the specifications about this variant. And when we talk about the specifications, let us specially talk about this variant specified weight. Now when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got a very good screen size as compared to the previous MacBook out there. Then it has got a screen size of 13 inches out there. Yes, you get to have a 13-inch size out there, which is really good variant out there. As well as you get to have a laptop, or we can say a MacBook. Initially, MacBook was only a type variant. It was not a touch variant out here. We have not seen these kind of variants. So we also do not see in this that there is a touch variant out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it is having a very good processing system inbuilt in it. Yes, the internal processing system is really good. That is Intel Core 2.0 Duo. Yes, this kind of processor could be seen out here, which is really good version out there. As well as when we talk about the CPU out there, like the internal processing system inbuilt in it, or the processing speed if we talk about, then we can say that it offers you a good processing speed of 2 gigahertz. This 2 gigahertz processing speed means that it has a very good processing out there, as well as you get to see that this processor offers you a great processing, as well as this processing system gives you very good output, very fast output, you can say. Now, when we talk about this processing system, we cannot neglect out the hardware it uses. Yes, hardware also plays a very good role and important role in every gadget. And now, when we talk about the hardware, then we can say that it has got 160 GB HDD data out there. Yes, 160 GB HDD out there. So overall, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant has got very good internal processing out there. Now, when we talk about this 13-inch screen size, overall it has got 13-inch screen size. What about the height, depth, and the thickness of this variant? Do they differ from the previous variant which was released out, or do they offer the same specifications? We can say there are very minor changes, very minor changes, like few centimeters, or we can say very point few centimeters difference out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this version, this MacBook variant out here, especially the Pro version out there, offers you a great range of specifications, a great range. And when we talk about the keyboard, it has got a very good keyboard out here with a good multi-touch point out there, which can be used for your other purposes. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this version offers you EI Captain OS out there, yes. The operating system used in it, the operating system out there, iOS system we can say, or the we can say the internal systems out there, they are really good out there. As well as it offers you a camera quality. Yes, if we talk about the camera out there, we cannot neglect out the camera also, because camera is offering you 1.3 megapixel camera out here, which is really good version out there. So this 1.3 megapixel offers you a good range of you can say picture quality, capturing capacity, everything can be considered as a good version. You can also say that this variant has got really a good connectivities, video connectivity, audio connectivity, everything is really good out here. These things really matters a lot in every gadget. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that MacBook Pro offers you a good eco-friendly also, which we have already discussed. Yes, most of the things we have discussed about the eco-friendly nature about this variant, but there are few things which we need to know why this Mac Pro is also more important out there, because not just that it offers you mercury-free LED backlit display out there, like the mercury-free display out there, or arsenic-free display glass is there. It's not just that, or neither the packaging is very reduced out there, compact, but you also get to have that it offers you energy star rating device out there. Yes, energy star rating device could also be seen. Along with that, you get to see that it has a recyclable polycarbon enclosures. Yes, the packing it is used is a polycarbonate recyclable enclosure out there. So this is also a wonderful feature about this variant. As well as it is PVC free and BFR free out there. So the packing or the device is so eco-friendly that if we talk about the eco-friendly status about this variant, or the we can talk about the report of this eco-friendly nature, then they are really good out here. Offering you these kind of specifications works very well when the gadgets are really renowned. And if the gadgets are good or the eco-friendly, then they also helps to know about the gadget also. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a good audio output also. Since we were talking about the video output, we were talking about connectivity. Then we can talk about the audio output too. Talking about the audio output, we can say it has got a stereotype speakers, offering you a omnidirectional microphone too. What is omnidirectional microphones? Then it clearly means that omnidirection. Omni means a one way kind, or two way, you can say it's only the way out there, one way type. As well as when what means by omni is that when you speak, you get to hear your words, and if you are talking to someone else, then that person can hear your words, not you. Yes, this is what omni means. Like, it is one directional. It is not like that person is going to hear, you are also going to hear what you are speaking. No, it's not that way. It's one directional. It also gives you a digital support output out there. Yes, the output you get is a digitalized output. It is not that you speak and you get to hear. It's digitalized. That it is manufacturing. If it is for the other person you are speaking, then it is for other person. This is what digitalized output is all about. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it also supports Apple's handset. You can say the earphones out there, iPods, or the any kind with a microphone inbuilt in it. If you have earpods, then they can be connected with Bluetooth technology. If you have earpods that are from the Apple company itself, then you also inbuilt in it that you can use it. Anything, any earpod you can use for the handset. Apart from that, if we talk about the connections, there are few connections which you get to see in this variant. Apart from having audio connectivity for the microphone, that is for the USB type, or the you can say audio input output point, which in general language, in the layman language, we say a jack point. Yes, that is called as the jack point. In layman language, we say it is also there. Apart from that, you get to have two USB points. Yes, two USB points. They are not for the charging purpose. They are for the purpose that you get to have two different points where you can use your data cable. You can use your pen drives, your memory chips out there. These kind of USB ports. like micro USD points out there, we can say. Apart from that, you also get to have mini display point out here, which is for a small display out point. And you get to have a power button, that is a mega safe power point out there. Yes, mega safe power port out there. You also get to see that this variant has got a lock slot out there in this version out there. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant's keyboard out there, if we talk about the keyboard in this version, then this variant, we have already told that this variant offers you a keyboard which is offering you a multi-touch area, which is for the control panel. This control panel is all about the mouse control. You can see, yes, this is for the mouse control. You do not get an additional mouse like we have in the PCs out there. You don't get that. You can use it with either the data cable or the Bluetooth connectivity. But you do have a touch control out here for the mouse out there. Yes, that is up area out there, which is used for scrolling, moving down, selecting things, double clicking, deleting, any kind of purpose. That is for the mouse control. Apart from that, you also get to have this great screen sized keyboard out here, which offers you a all kind of functional keys, which involves 12 functional keys and 4 arrow keys, which are in the inverted T arrangement. Yes, they are inverted T arrangement out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that these keys are like 79 in iOS, whereas in US there are 78. So depending upon the variant it is being used, it is released accordingly. It has these kind of specifications. Talking about other things, then the video output, we can say that if you use DVI output, if you want DVI, like we use DVI outputs, they are because of the DVI adapter, which is in the mini display port out there. VGA output is also there. You get to have dual link output out there. You get to have a lot of outputs from different points. That is from the mini display port out there. We already know that it offers you 1.3 megapixel camera out there, which is an eyesight camera, or you can say the mini display port out there, a very small port out there, or you can say a point out there, offering a great screen size, which we have already discussed, of about 13 inches screen size out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a great packing out there. And if we talk about packing, then we can say that it offers you a MacBook, a charger. Yes, you get to have a charger adapter, software DVD or inbuilt software in it, and the user manual. Yes, these are the things. Talking overall about this variant's battery is quite nice. It offers you approximately 9 to 10 hours work processing system out there. Apart from that, let us talk about the pricing of this variant, because offering such kind of specifications and having a good pricing works a lot. So we have got a site that is just at click.com. Yes, this is the site and the site name has been highlighted, that is just at click.com. Description also has the link. You can check out the description box also. Apart from that, this variant offers you a search icon where you can search your favorite gadgets, and I have just wrote the search icon's name out there, that is Apple's iPhone. So we are going to check this variant also. So this is the site out here, and we have Apple's A1181 out here out for you guys. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers a condition which is refurbished. So we are going to talk about this refurbished condition also. And you also get to see that few specifications have been mentioned out here. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and see what is refurbished and what does refurbished word means and how is it beneficial for the products. Talking about refurbished product, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, only the difference lies out in the pathway, and nothing is, they have actually the same pathway used out. Whereas when we talk about brand new, that is extremely from the company, that is the base, it is from that itself. Whereas the refurbished are from a pre-owned users. Yes, you get to have a pre-owned gadgets, but does not mean they have been defected, they are not being checked, they are checked out. In fact, they have been tested, verified, everything is done out there. As well as when we talk about refurbished product and brand new products, the difference lies out in the passage, in the pathway, we can say. Like we say, every gadget follows a pathway which is a base, mediator, and the consumers. Yes. Base is nothing else but the company or the owner of that gadget. Yes. For the brand new, it's always the company. For base, it's always the company out there. But for refurbished product, we can say that the base becomes the user, because whichever person or whichever marketplace or anything which owns that gadget is the base. Mediator is always the same, the marketplace. Now this marketplace is a vast marketplace. It can be anything, an online site, an offline site, multiple steps marketplace. Everything includes a marketplace. And the consumers are us. We are the consumers out here who are actually doing nothing else but checking out the products, buying them like this. So now talking about brand new's pathway is this, that we have a company which originally brings out every new gadget, then it is released out in the marketplace, and from the marketplace we as a user have that gadget. Now when we have this gadget, what happens? Now we are the owner, we are the sole owners of this gadget. So this has been pre-owned. Yes, now this gadget is pre-owned, and this pre-owned gadget is now refurbished. Now when we come, now this user, we becomes the base for the refurbished gadget. What happens now is that now we are owning this pre-owned gadget, now we want to resell it. So we resell it and we bring it back to the marketplace. It tests it, verifies it, whether it's good in condition or not. Everything, whatever the company has stated, is having all the specifications or not. Everything is being stated out there. After that, what happens? After that, it is absolutely rechecked and is brought under the category of refurbished for reselling purpose. And now another user, not the same user, but another or different user have this gadget. Yes, this is the whole pathway involved. Now, when we talk about pathways, we have been very clear about the pathway. That company से users तक का brand new pathway होता है, and whereas user से new user तक का refurbished gadget हो जाता है. What are the parameters involved? If we talk about the parameters, there are n number of parameters specifications involved in a gadget for refurbished products. These parameters includes the external and internal functions. Yes, when we talk about external functions, then external functions includes the external things which we can see through our eyes, like the size of that gadget. Yes, if we are talking about laptops, then we can say that the laptop size is good or not, it has scratches or not, the back cover or the back screen is good or not. If it is non-rotational, then how is it? If it is rotational, it is rotating fully or not out there. If it's 360, how is it doing out? Keyboards, yes, the buttons on the keyboard, the print on that keyboard, everything has to be checked. The buttons intactness, yes, the buttons, they are actually working properly or not, that has to be checked. As well as we check out that whether the gadget is offering you all the functionalities, like if it has a 3.5 jack or the jack system in it, it is working or not, USB is working in this or not, power button, or even the charger out there which is given with this is working good or not. If it is a camera version, like if it has a camera, then the camera is working or not, if it's giving a good quality picture or not out there, connectivity is going well or not. Like these are the external factors. Connectivity comes under the internal factors, but we are just in general telling you externally, whichever you can see. If you talk about the mouse, whether it is having a mouse or not, if it's connecting with that or not, everything. And now when we talk about these external factors, these are checked out with a very advanced or the experts out there. And after once it is checked out, yes, once it's checked out, then we go to the internal factors. Internal factors involves yours, like, or whether it's giving a good connectivity, RAM quality, internal processing is going well or not, because internal functionality is must, because these are the things which need to be not just checked with the experts, but with a testing tool also, and we need specified equipments to test them. each and every function, whether it's related to its core processor, its internal processors out there, its battery life, or the internal elements involved in it, whether it's connectivity out there, whether it's speaker out there, it's microphone out there. You talk about its storage, data connectivity, anything you talk about, any gadget in any phone or in any laptop, all the functions which a company states or the brand states has to be checked out. So in short, we can say that refurbished and brand new products, testing, structure, functionality, everything is same. Yes, they are absolutely same. Only the difference lies out in the pathway. Brand new products are absolutely untouched, they are new, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, they are once pre-owned gadgets now. After testing, what happens is they are now in good quality, they are good for the service out there, so you get to have these products. Now, when we talk about refurbished products, why we are talking about them? Do they offer you any advantage over brand new? Yes, it offers you few advantages, benefits out there. Number one is the pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have your favorite gadgets under pocketable rates. So this is one of the most amazing feature out there. That pocketable rates are there. You avail your favorite gadgets, your favorite laptops, mobiles, your favorite screens, any gadget out there in your pocketable rates. Now, what does this pocketable rate helps you out? It helps you to save up to a great savings. Yes, you get to save a great savings out there. How? When we talk about brand new products, we know that these are quite expensive out there because they are new launches out there. So they are slightly expensive. Whereas when we have this refurbished product, they are slightly, we can say, cheaper than the brand new ones. Or we can say they are quite pocketable, in short, we can say that. So you get to save a great amount of savings. Since we know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty, but refurbished hair has a good advantage, or you can say a good function in this, that it offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, generally it happens that pre-owned gadgets do not offer you any warranty period, but if you have a condition that is refurbished, you get to have 6 months warranty also. You get to have a 6 months warranty period along with 7D exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7D exchange policy along with that. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished gadget. So now when we talk about this gadget, let us go back to the site where we were talking about, from where we came to hear this refurbished word. So talking about this website, we are at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name is justatclick.com. Here you get to have your favorite laptops or your favorite gadgets. This site is especially for the laptops. Yes, this site is especially for the laptops, so you all can check out this website. On Google, you have to type at justatclick.com. That's the website name out here. I have highlighted the website name, or you can go in the description box. There is a link. You can click on the link also. This search icon helps you to search your specified gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about this site, we can say that this site offers you a great range of savings, as well as it offers you free home delivery. Yes, free home delivery. There's money back guarantee, which I already told you, 7 exchange policy. And now when we talk about free home delivery, and COD is also available out here, as well as you get to have top categories, or there are the categories out here mentioned for the laptops out here, your laptop gadgets out there. You can check out from these reputed companies, these reputed brands out there. Now let us talk about the shipping timing also. In most parts of UAE, it takes up to 48 hours shipping timing, whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. So you can definitely check out the website for your delivery area. The website link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe it, because here you get all the latest information for your gadgets out there and the best pricing for your latest devices. So justatclick.com is a place where you get your Favorite laptops in your favorite affordable pricing. Yes, the best marketplace out here for the best pricing. Till then, take care.